Tonsil stones, also known as tonsilloliths, are small, hard formations that develop in the crevices of the tonsils. They are made up of food particles, dead cells, bacteria, and mucus that harden over time. While they are usually harmless, they can cause bad breath, discomfort, and a persistent sore throat. If you suffer from tonsil stones, you may be looking for fast and effective home remedies to remove them and prevent them from coming back. In this guide, we will explore 3 powerful home remedies that work quickly to get rid of tonsil stones naturally. These remedies are simple, safe, and use ingredients you probably already have at home. Plus, we will discuss how to prevent tonsil stones from forming in the future. What causes tonsil stones? Before diving into the remedies, it is important to understand why tonsil stones develop. The tonsils have small pockets and crevices where food debris, bacteria, and mucus can accumulate. Over time, these materials calcify and form small, white or yellow stones that can sometimes be visible at the back of the throat. The main causes include poor oral hygiene, chronic sinus issues or post-nasal drip, frequent throat infections, dairy and mucus-producing foods, dehydration, large tonsil crypts, which are natural crevices in the tonsils. If you have been struggling with bad breath or a feeling of something stuck in your throat, you might have tonsil stones without even realizing it. Saltwater gargle, the simple yet powerful remedy. One of the easiest and fastest ways to get rid of tonsil stones is by gargling with warm salt water. This helps loosen and dislodge the stones while reducing bacterial growth. What you need: 1 cup of warm water, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. How to use: 1. Dissolve the salt in warm water and stir well. 2. Gargle for 30 seconds, making sure to focus on the back of your throat. 3. Repeat 2 to 3 times a day, especially after meals. Why it works: salt water has antibacterial properties that help cleanse the tonsils, reduce inflammation, and prevent bacterial buildup. It also loosens tonsil stones, making it easier for them to fall out naturally. Apple cider vinegar. The natural dissolver apple cider vinegar is a powerful natural remedy that can help break down tonsil stones and kill harmful bacteria in the mouth and throat. What you need: 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of warm water. How to use: 1. Mix the apple cider vinegar with warm water. 2. Gargle with the mixture for 30 seconds. 3. Repeat this 2 to 3 times daily. Why it works: apple cider vinegar is acidic, which helps dissolve tonsil stones over time. It also creates an environment that discourages bacteria from thriving in the mouth, reducing bad breath and future stone formation. A hydrogen peroxide gargle, a strong antibacterial solution. Hydrogen peroxide is an excellent antibacterial agent that helps break down tonsil stones, disinfects the throat, and prevents infections. What you need: 1 part 3% hydrogen peroxide, 2 parts water. How to use: 1. Mix hydrogen peroxide with water. 2. Gargle with the solution for 30 seconds. 3. Spit it out and rinse your mouth with plain water. 4. Use this remedy once a day until the stones are gone. Why it works: hydrogen peroxide releases oxygen when it comes in contact with bacteria, helping to break down and loosen tonsil stones while preventing new ones from forming. How to prevent tonsil stones from coming back. While these remedies help remove tonsil stones, preventing them from forming again is key. Here is how you can keep your tonsils clean and healthy. Maintain good oral hygiene by brushing and flossing daily to remove food particles. Use a tongue scraper to remove bacteria from the tongue. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water to keep the throat and tonsils clear. Avoid dairy, as it can increase mucus buildup, leading to stones. Gargle regularly with salt water or mouthwash to prevent bacterial growth. Eat a balanced diet and avoid processed foods while consuming plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables. Breathe through your nose instead of your mouth to prevent dryness and bacterial buildup. When to see a doctor if you have recurring tonsil stones that do not go away with home remedies or experience severe symptoms such as chronic throat pain, difficulty swallowing, or enlarged tonsils, you may need to consult a doctor. In some cases, a tonsillectomy, which is the removal of the tonsils, may be recommended if the stones become a persistent issue. Final thoughts: tonsil stones can be annoying and uncomfortable, but with these 3 powerful home remedies, you can remove them quickly and naturally. Whether you choose salt water, apple cider vinegar, or hydrogen peroxide, these methods help eliminate stones while preventing new ones from forming. Have you tried any of these remedies before? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips.